SO group.
Yes.
Okay, in that we have C1, like VS1. C1 is universal structural
Universal
remedy.
structural remedy.
Yeah, structure.
So when I say structural, it is
Erosion,
for
inflammation,
erosion, inflammation,
inflammation,
cancers, ulcers, increase in the number of cells,
shrinking, shrinking,
deposition, shrinkage,
degeneration,
any
degeneration.
kind of degeneration in the body, we can use
Damage.
C1.
C1.
Damage.
Superb. Then C2, as with S2, we can use C2.
Stones, yeah.
Or structural.
Stones,
KB,
kidney
mouth also.
stones, all. And female medicine.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Then we, yes, ma'am.
sir, I have one doubt here. Because
Yes.
why for mouth ulcers, why we are using both S2 and C2? One is
Mouth
not enough.
ulcers, mouth is not able to clear its own function.
Okay.
Mouth should be able to cool the system. When it
Okay.
is not able to clear it up, it has created ulcers.
Okay.
But what are ulcers? It's a structural damage of the lining of the mouth.
Yeah.
அதனால தான் we have to give both S2 and C2. 90% we will settle with S2 itself. When
Okay.
the ulcers are very profound, oral cancers, because of the teeth, the inner gums are getting eroded. At that
Okay.
time, we can use
C2.
C2. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Next one, ma'am. Then we have got C3,
Okay. So it's like male specific.
male
Male
specific.
specific.
Yeah.
Then we have a C4 medicine, who is an
Orthopedic.
orthopedician, bone and joint
Bone
specialist.
joint
Joint.
specialist.
Anything related to bone and joint.
RA, everything.
Rheumatic.
Leukemia also, interleukemia also, blood cancer.
Yes, perfect. Next
Sir,
one.
goat,
Yes, yes, gout also comes here, sir.
Okay.
But gout will be majorly administered because of what? Gout is a renal dysfunction. Kidney is not able to filter uric acid. So
Okay.
RA and gout will also be a part of
S6 and
C6 and S6.
S6. Okay.
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 Yes, we understood yesterday. Whatever will be the root cause, we will try to work on the root cause also.
Yeah.
Then S5 is for liver and skin. C5 is again for liver and skin. But C5 will work extra for what?
Breast tumor.
Breast and
Yes.
uterus disturbances. Okay. S6 was for kidneys. C6 is again for kidneys.
Kidneys.
S10 for intestine. C10 is also for intestine. Okay. Then we have got C13. Then we have got C13, C15 and C17.
Yeah. Upper GIO, lower GIO, and
middle and
middle
lower
GIO.
GI.
So upper GIO is what? Respiratory system, throat, thyroid, glands,
heart, lungs.
anything. Middle GIO is entirely digestive system. And C17 is lower.
Genital system.
Perfect. Okay.
Sir,
So far,
here I have got one doubt, sir. For
yes,
the
ma'am.
kidney shrinkage or maybe inflammation, along with C1, given C6 also, we have to.
There only C6, ma'am. Directly C6.
Only C6, okay.
Directly C6. C1 don't need it because C1 has got 5 plants. All the C group is a cancer group. If you see one of my video of electrohomeopathy in my YouTube channel,
Okay.
one of my video I have just said about C group. All the group has got 5 plants in common.
Okay.
So irrespective whether you give C1, C2, C3, it will definitely help in management of cancer. But each and every group has got few plants added to them. That will give them the specific property for C2, C4, C5, C6. Okay. So far clear. We have started with some basic information. We read about some history about Master. All right. Then we understood what was his concept. Blood and lymph was the concept. Okay. In the blood and lymph, we understood how important it is, blood and lymph. Then we understood the temperaments. Then we have understood the polarities. No, let them continue all my medicines. One second, I forgot to record. I have to take some memory medicine actually. Yeah, I have to go to meet good doctor. Press window key and G. Press Windows key and G. But I am not able to see recording. Oh, I have got the recording. Windows Alt R. मना मत पूछ. हाँ बेटा. अभी डॉक्टर ही है, ठीक है. Okay, recording started. Yes, recording started. Again, it is gone. Control Alt R. Sorry, recording is not working, sir. All are there in the class, right? Okay. Anyway,
yes.
I'm planning to. So whatever is there, we'll just see it now. Okay. Tell now. Next one. So far, things are clear. Now, what we decided to yesterday is we'll go ahead with the digestive system today, and then we'll go ahead with the endocrinology today. Very, very, very important system is these two, digestive system and the endocrinology. All right. Next, chaliye. Now we'll see. So we will go with endocrine system. And that is now endocrine system. What are all the parts of endocrine system? Can you all tell me? I'll keep writing it up. Main all the hormones.
All the hormones.
Yes, endocrine system is nothing but
All
these
the
are hormones, or we say it is ductless glands.
Ductless glands.
Ductless glands, because
Yes.
they will directly secrete their enzymes into the bloodstream.
Blood. Yes.
Direct into bloodstream. That is the ductless gland. Okay. Now we have got duct-based glands also. So they will have their own pathway.
Like
For example,
exocrine glands.
yes, example, they are exocrine glands. For example, liver is also a endocrine gland,
And
but
exocrine.
yes, and exocrine. Okay, that is why we give lots and lots of importance to the liver. Okay, now of these, what are the names of the glands? From the top, yes. First is hypothalamus, then
Pituitary.
pituitary, or I can put a word of
Pineal.
pineal next,
Pineal gland.
then pituitary gland, then you have
Thyroid.
yes
Thyroid.
thyroid, then
Parathyroid.
Thymus.
parathyroid, then we have got thymus,
Thymus.
then
Pancreas.
step by step, pancreas, then we have got adrenals,
Adrenal.
then we have got gonads, male
Gonads.
and female reproductive
Female
organs.
organs.
All right. So these will be the parts of the endocrine system. Now, what is the function of hypothalamus? Yes.
Name is not sure.
Oh,
Hypothalamus.
நீங்க ரொம்ப லேட்டா சொல்றீங்க மேம்.
I was waiting for somebody else to confirm.
Don't wait, ma'am. Yesterday also said, ma'am.
Every
Okay,
time
ma'am.
I'm coming back to you, I am not comfortable.
Same thing I thought yesterday. Every time I have to come back to you, I have to become uncomfortable now. Okay, don't be uncomfortable at all, because when with the flow of the class, sometimes we miss out. So just stop me then and there. No problem, ma'am. Hypothalamus. What is the function of hypothalamus?
It controls the pituitary.
Yes, controls pituitary. Okay, controls pituitary. Na? It will guide pituitary. What are the hormones you need to secrete?
Secrete.
Okay. Yes, simple. Let us not go much deep into it. Hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland. In which way? It will say pituitary gland, okay, secrete thyroid stimulating hormone.
Yes.
Like this, it will give command, it will give pathway, or it will give nervous control to the pituitary gland. Okay. Next is pineal gland. What is the function of pineal gland?
Growth, growth gland.
So it is a growth glands. Growth glands order. If I have to be specific, more specific, I will say about secondary sexual characters, like development of beard, development of mustache, axillary hair, or hairs on the body, pubic hair, development of breast in females. All these are by the pineal glands. This is what so far the medical team have understood, and this is what been said to us. But pineal gland is lot more deeper, lot more deeper. All right, pineal gland is lot and lot more deeper, because all your subconscious controls, all your subconscious control to some extent are controlled by the pineal gland. All the subconscious control to some extent are controlled by the pineal gland. Okay, when I say subconscious control, what are those? The basic instincts.
Sir,
Okay.
excuse me, sir.
Okay.
Can
Yeah,
you
yeah.
repeat it? Can you repeat, because I missed this past five
No problem.
minutes. Somebody
Yes,
visited. Okay.
No problem, ma'am. See, we are talking about pineal gland,
Okay.
and this very, very important structure for us.
Yes. Yes.
For us, it's very, very important structures, because medically we know many things, but non-medically, if you want to go for it, pineal gland has to do a very important function of, okay, subconscious control. Subconscious control, which is happening inside the system. All these things will be executed by the pineal glands. When you meditate, you focus in between eyebrows, okay, but your focus has to go little more deep into the eyebrows, in between the line touching the two ears. If you draw a line, or if you draw a line between the two holes of the ears, and if you draw a line from the top to the head, the point where the line touches each other is the seat of pineal gland, we say. This pineal gland is also called money. Okay. In yoga, they learn about something called Soma Chakra. Soma
Soma
Chakra.
Chakra.
Yes, Soma Chakra. Very few people talk about Soma Chakra. Soma Chakra is what? It is a seat. Seat Soma Chakra. The god in the Soma Chakra is Kameshwarar. So Kamam is desire. A person who have controlled the desires of Kamam. Kamam is the desire, or the any kind of desire, not only sexual desires, any kind of desires. So sometimes, like food desire, clothing desires, when people come out of the desires and want to achieve a higher level, they work on the pineal gland. That is why still medical people are not able to find more detail about the pineal glands. But non-medical person has been dealing with pineal gland for years and years. For years and years. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
pineal gland, right now the function of the pineal gland for us understanding is secondary characters. Okay, development of the mustaches and all those things, male and female puberty. And pineal gland slowly decreases in size as the age increases.
Okay.
As the age increases, pineal gland slowly decreases in size. That is why when you become too old, like, or if you become starting to get into the age of 40 to 50, once you get into the age of 40 to 50, we get into a stage of called Vanaprastha, fourth stage of life.
Okay.
Fourth stage of life, Grihastha Kapram Vanaprastha Vandram. Vanaprastha is where you leave the all the things and get into the fourth stage of life. So all the material worlds, appada and the pineal gland will become little more active again. Little more. That's what the nature of the pineal gland. You can make it active throughout the life.
Okay.
If you be in the material world, it cannot. It cannot. So
Okay.
we have to live lots of desires, lots and lots of desires. If you want to stay in a state of extreme bliss, extreme happiness, it is by pineal gland. Okay. So the second character of the pineal is done. Third, pituitary gland. Here comes the master. So we have met the correspondent, we have met the HOD. Now we have come to the master's level. So hypothalamus is the correspondent, pineal gland is head of the department, and comes the master gland, pituitary. So pituitary gland control the other glands, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, pancreas, adrenal, gonads. All these are controlled by pituitary glands. All these are controlled by the pituitary glands. All right. So now pituitary gland we have seen. What is the function of thyroid gland? Now one information I'll give in pituitary or in thyroid. What is the function of thyroid gland?
Metabolism.
Yes, main is metabolism. Next question. What metabolism?
That energy, whatever the food we take, that converts into energy, and that
Yes.
whatever the energy that burning thyroid
Yes.
gland provides.
Perfect. So whatever food what you take it inside, it has to be metabolized by the thyroid gland. Main metabolism for the thyroid gland is calcium and phosphate metabolism. That is why when a lady, 90% of the female has got the thyroid issues. 90% of the ladies have got a thyroid problem. All right. So when 90% of the ladies get thyroid problems, they will start becoming weak. Their bones will become osteoporotic very fast because calcium metabolism, how much ever calcium you take, your body should be able to metabolize it, and that is possible by means of thyroid. And after thyroid we have parathyroid. Parathyroid also helps in calcium and phosphate metabolism. That is why thyroid and parathyroid together also plays an important role in the metabolism of calciums inside the body. Now, if thyroid is not functioning properly, what condition we will get?
Hypothyroid.
Hypothyroid or
Hyper.
hypo.
Thyroidism. Hyper.
Yes. Now,
Thyroidism.
one thing I'll generally clarify in my class because many people don't understand this concept. If TSH is high,
If such is high, then it is hyperthyroid.
if TSH is high, then it is hypo, sir.
Hypothyroid. Okay.
ஆமா இது மட்டும் புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஏன் இப்போ வந்துட்டு லலிதா மேம் சொல்ல போறாங்க. Yes, ma'am.
Anything higher, hypo, sir.
No, anything higher hypo இல்ல. See, I said TSH னா என்ன? Thyroid stimulating hormone. Okay, who will secrete it? Pituitary gland. Okay, TSH வந்துட்டு pituitary gland will be secreting the TSH. Okay, thyroid will secrete only T3, T4. TSH is by pituitary gland. Now, see, pituitary gland, whenever thyroid level is low, whenever thyroid will start functioning low, pituitary gland has to secrete more of thyroid stimulating hormone. Did you get this point? If thyroid is not able to function properly, then pituitary gland is a red signal for the pituitary gland. Okay, some disturbance in my body, so I have to release more of thyroid stimulating hormone. So the blood level of TSH becomes increase. Suppose if thyroid is functioning very high, if thyroid gland is functioning normally and more higher, then it is an alarm signal for the brain again. Thyroid gland is functioning too much. I need to reduce the secretion of TSH from the brain. Got this point, man? So if TSH is low, then it is hyperthyroid. If TSH is high, then it is hypothyroid. So far,
Pituitary reduces the TSH secretion.
yes, pituitary gland on the term. This pituitary gland, okay, it will secrete thyroid stimulating hormone. It will secrete adrenocorticotropic hormone. Okay, it will secrete luteinizing hormone, and it will secrete follicle stimulating hormone. இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு from the hypothalamus control to the pituitary, anterior posterior pituitary, they will secrete. So this pituitary gland secretes many controlling hormone. Pituitary gland also secrete growth hormone. So that is why some kids are remain dwarf. Some people becomes too height. All these are problem with the pituitary gland. So pituitary gland secretes. So thyroid, parathyroid is done. What is the function of thymus? What is the function of thymus?
Immunity.
Yes, the defense mechanism and immunity. Defense mechanism and immunity. All is well, all is well, all is well. That is the concept here. Keep yourself well. Keep tapping your thymus gland. Keep tapping your thymus gland. So defense mechanism. That is why the clever virus, what they will do, they will target directly the defense mechanism. That is the thymus. Next, what is the role of pancreas?
Insulin secretion.
Secretion to manage diabetes. To manage diabetes, secretion of insulin from the pancreas. Okay, to manage diabetes, that is increase in the glucose level. So increased glucose levels. Okay, next one, what is the role of adrenal glands?
Fight or
What is,
flight.
yes sir, what is the role of
Preparing
adrenal
the body to
Yes.
face the
situation
emergency situation.
or
Face
run away from the situation? Rendume.
Yeah.
Okay, to face the situation or run away from the situation, it's by adrenal glands. Okay, so if somebody, for example, if I lock you into a room with a glass doors around you and you are in the third floor, and I said, come on, it is an exam for all of you, jump from this room. So everybody will laugh at me for a moment and he'll say, sir, you carry on, sir, we will also carry on, sir. Now, second situation, the room is closed, I am also there. Okay, the doors have got automatically locked and there is a sudden fire in that area. So who will give you the command to break the windows and jump from the third floor?
Adrenal.
Yes, adrenal gland. It will prepare you in such a way that you can get double the amount of your power. The glass window which you couldn't break it, you will get some idea to break the glass window. You will try to get some ideas, where should I jump from this floor so that I can save my life. Okay, this is by adrenal glands. That is why we say it is a stress hormone also. Correct, it is a stress hormone also. That is why we give medicine to relax the mind, to relax the body, we give medicine of S6. For mind relaxation also, we can treat it through S6 because we are going to calm the kidneys. Then we give L1. Okay, which next medicine which I'm going to talk it. Last one is gonads. Okay, last one is gonads. Okay, now what is the function of main function of the gonads is reproduction. The main function of the gonads is reproduction. Okay, so far are you able to follow the adrenal glands?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All okay, sir? Ram Gopal sir, Mala
Yes, sir.
ma'am, all able to follow.
But only this thing I had this hypo and hyperthyroidism had different opinion.
Yeah, sir. Because unless we know the concept,
Yes,
it is not easy to understand. Thyroid, adrenal, this one, hyper also.
I thought if it is low, it is hypo.
Yes, it's very simple to understand, sir. I will tell you one more example. Now, for example, somebody is funding you to run your business. Okay, somebody is funding you to run their business. Okay, so pituitary gland is funding you. Okay, and the fund name is thyroid stimulating hormone, TSH, to run your business. Now, suddenly, because of lockdown, your business is low and you need more funds because if your business is low, it is an alarm for the system, for the body that business is low. So, what the funding people will do? They will try to increase your funding more to do more business.
Okay.
In that course, what happens? It is an alarm for the body. Your thyroid is not working fully. I need to
Yes.
secrete thyroid stimulating hormone. It land up secreting more of TSH.
Yes.
Next,
Southern TS.
supposingly you are able to do very good business and you are
Hmm.
producing more now.
More. So it will lower
So
the production.
the boss will decide, okay, I don't need to supply too much. Let me lower my production so that we can maintain the balance. Target is only 100. You have to be within the 100. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Easy to
Thank
understand. Easy to understand. Done. Chaliye. Okay, all clear so far?
you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so now medicines wise. So we are filling the tabular column. Next medicine comes into our picture is we have seen till 25. Next medicine is 26th medicine, and it is a most important medicine in the like all the endocrine functions are regulated by L1.
Share your screen, sir.
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Screen.
Thank you, sir.
But yes, ma'am. So all the endocrine function is by what? L1. So because it is a lymphatic system, and what we study more is lymphatic system are produced, lymphatic system are formed, or the energy what the lymphatic system utilizes is the endocrine glands into the entire system. So all women's related issues, male related issues, growth related issues, or diabetic related issues, or blood pressure related issues, or immunity related issues, or infertility, impotency related issues, or relaxation related issues, adrenal glands, relaxation, infertility, impotency, gonads, diabetes is pancreas, defense mechanism is thymus, and general control of the body, temperature regulation is hypothalamus, thyroid for metabolism, parathyroid for metabolism. All these will be controlled by lymphatico L1. All will be controlled by L1. That is why when we give our medicine, we don't address only uterus, only thyroid, or only pancreas. We will try to correct the entire endocrine system. Okay, because the concept is very simple. See, a lady gets a thyroid issues and her cycles get disturbed. So now the question is, should the lady go to endocrinologist or should the lady go to gynecologist? Because there the department is divided. Since the uterus function is not proper, she is getting long periods. Doctors will put a gynecologist will put her into Mepret or that is contraceptive pill, and endocrinologist will put her into thyroid. Now for the same problem, a female takes two different treatment. So who is getting fooled here? The patient. Because the root cause is very clear. If your thyroid is good, then your endocrine system, uterus should also be good. If your thyroid is good, but if your thyroid is normal and still you get endocrine system problem, uterus related problems, then we need to work on only the uterus related issues. No need to work on thyroid. Got my point? So understand what is the root cause of the problem. If you don't understand the root cause of the problem, we will never be able to bring them out completely from any health issues. We will not be able to bring them out from any of the health issues if we don't address the root cause.
Can you repeat once, sir?
Okay, now
Please,
I'll
sir.
repeat it once. No problem, ma'am. See, ma'am, the concept here is a female having a thyroid problem. 90% of the female or 99% of the female will have a cycles getting disturbed. What they will do, they will just take one thyroid pill, 25 mg, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150.
Yes.
They will take some milligram and their thyroid and their uterus function becomes normal. Okay, this is one scenario. Second scenario is a girl a girl is not getting a cycle. Rather than testing a thyroid and giving a medicine for the thyroid, the girl goes to gynecologist and the gynecologist put her into the cycle medicine.
Yes.
What is the root cause here? Some disturbances in metabolism called thyroid. So the gynecologist should have treated the thyroid, then it makes a good sense. If the gynecologist treats the uterus, it means the gynecologist is treating only the symptoms. She is not treating the root cause of the problem. So we have to address the root cause of the problem, which is the thyroid issues. Now, there is another scenario. Thyroid function is normal, but uterus develops some cyst or ovaries develop some PCODs. Uterus becomes thick. Then the problems goes directly to what? Urogenital system. S6. You can just give an S6 as a medicine there. Okay. So understand why the lady is suffering. That is very, very important. Another scenario, uterus is normal, thyroid is normal, but her cycles are disturbed, hair fall is there. Then what can be the issue?
Thyroid.
Thyroid is normal, uterus absolutely fine, ovaries absolutely fine, 3 times scan taken, but still the girl is getting an hair fall, the girl is getting an irregular cycles. What could be the issue?
Kidney
Kidney,
problems.
sir.
Kidney develops urogenital system. So kidney could be an issue. One. Now to confirm the kidney, what are the one major question or how do you confirm it is a kidney issue?
Hair fall, sir. Kidney is related to hair.
Yes, kidney is
Scalp hair.
related to hair fall.
Hair
Why
fall.
is the kidney gets disturbed? Next question. Why? See, uterus is normal, thyroid is normal. Kidney is disturbed. Yes, kidney is disturbed. Now, why was the kidney got disturbed for a small girl? Reason. Due to liver problem. Okay, because okay, liver is an wood element, or you can relate it to mother and son-in-law, where son is too much working, so mother is not able to get rest. One. Now, second, here the question is, why should the liver gets disturbed? Next question.
Maybe the lifestyle.
Maybe
Yes,
because of stress.
stress, lifestyle. A girl is not able to share many things. She's suppressing her thyroid emotions. So don't look into the physical part alone. Look into the emotional part.
Psychology.
So all are like acupuncturist, and sir is also into some form of psychological yoga. Okay, five element theory. Work, understand the emotional aspect of the five element theory. If girls are getting thyroid issues, ask them what is that they are not able to forget in their life. What is that they're getting more disturbed. In that case, give them a counseling, give them a brain relaxation medicine, the thyroid will become normal. How many? See, one more question I'll ask. Why is a lady has to suffer? Because post marriage, if you see, most of the ladies gets thyroid issues. See, one family, okay, no problem. Their hygiene lifestyle might not be good, but most of the ladies gets thyroid issues post marriage. Why?
Stress.
Yeah,
Emotion.
stress,
Not
inability
able
to
to
express.
adjust,
Yes.
adjust,
No, adjustment also they are the best adjusters in the world, sir. But inability to express,
express themselves.
Emotional.
yes,
Stress.
suppressing their emotions, adjusting to the adaptations what has been given to them, and not able to express what they really wanted. Generally what happens, a male and a female when they discuss, ஒரு male மட்டும் இல்ல, ஒரு husband மட்டும், I want to achieve these things, I want to go ahead with this, we will try many things, we will go to abroad, we will go to here. A lady will say yes, 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 she will go to,
Compromise.
she will go to abroad, but do you think she will be 100% happy all the ladies going to abroad? No. So look into this perspective when you become a good endocrinologist. That is why I taken na say formulas. Many people say Dr. Jain was able to give result. I will also give the same formula and I will also get result. Not easy. Not easy. For example, one person I'm helping it at Murtuza sir. First time when he took a COVID patient, Murtuza sir has able to follow the same formula, but he couldn't get a result for the same COVID patient. Then I said, Murtuza sir, this time you do the way I am doing it. I asked the patient to report to me their blood pressure and the SpO2 reading for every 3 to 4 times in a day. So now he is trying to follow the same format. I will just share you. So sometimes we need to understand the disease in totality. அப்போதான் ரிசல்ட் கொடுக்க முடியும். இல்லைன்னா ரிசல்ட் கொடுக்க முடியாது. Okay, see for example now he is updating me. Matlab we are working as a team. It's not like updating me. We are just working as a team. So he has to report temperature is 1 for 99, 140. Then temperature is 99. Now it's 130. Then 9 o'clock in the morning, then 1 o'clock in the afternoon, then evening. So in that, when the blood pressure is not getting decreased, here we need not say like, yes, I need to follow only electrohomeopathy. I can go ahead with only electrohomeopathy. Adu tappu. That is a total wrong. What will be my message is, hear that. My message will be, just make sure that are they taking blood pressure medicine. If they are not taking BP medicine, ask them to meet a doctor, allopathy doctor, takes the blood pressure medicine and immediately reduce the blood pressure. Things will be normal. Here we have to be more genuine in managing people. We should not take the concept of that we are the best in this world. No, we need to save the life of the person. What method, which method saves them, don't bother at all. But are you in a position to guide them what they have to do it? You have to study, 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 and study. So update your knowledge extremely high so that you are able to guide your patients to any time. So what happens next time that patient, even though if you go to an allopathy doctor, he will definitely take a guidance from us. Murtuza sir, I have gone to an allopathy doctor. Is it okay or should I follow whatever you say? That is the rapport we get it from the patients. Okay, so develop your. So far endocrine system is good. You are able to follow.
Yeah.
Okay, any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Aniket, things are clear. Things are clear. Am I fast?
No, sir.
Aniket,
No, sir, it's going good.
going good now. You
Yes,
were
sir. Yes,
able
sir.
to recollect in a quick moment what we did yesterday. You were able to recollect.
Yes, sir, somewhat. I need to go through the PDFs again.
Yes, one time you go through the PDF. When I
Yes, sir.
take the same batch for the next class, you
Okay,
can
sir.
join that class.
Sure, sir, sure.
And when I take any other batches, all can join the batch without any payments. That I have said you in the first day also. That there is nothing like refreshing course. I don't conduct that. Every time when you be in the class, you can all be in the same class again also whenever I'm conducting. If you have the time slot, okay.
Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Chalo.
you.
Next one we'll do is after endocrine, we decided we'll go quick for the digestive system. It's very simple. The most important system after endocrine system is digestive system. So it is no, after endocrine system, most important system is digestive because endocrine system is for the entire part of the body. All right, entire part of the body is endocrine system, and the digestive system is giving nourishment energy to the endocrine system. Now, lymph or lymphatic formation, energy for the lymph formations are from the endocrine glands. Okay, but the lymph will get utilized in the digestive system. That is why these two systems are very, very important. Digestive system. That is why whenever you give a functional medicine, add L1 into that. For example, S1L1, S2L1, S3L1, S5 for liver L1, S5 for skin along with that L1, S10 intestine L1, S11 vomiting L1, S12 constipation L1. Wherever is functional medicine, add L1 into it. Okay, chalo. We will go ahead with the digestive system now. What I'll do is now I will go with endocrine system. I will take a picture first. Endocrine and exocrine glands. This picture should suit us. So I'll copy it. Paste. So that this picture is there with you. Okay. Chalo. Next system, sir. So again, I'll share the same copy today. So it becomes easy. It becomes very easy. Okay, last one for the today's digestive system. Okay, Chali, digestive system. Who is going to explain to me now? Yes,
We are
sir.
here to listen from you, sir.
I said you in the day one also. It will be both the sides.
Okay,
It will
sir.
be both the sides. Digestive system. I am going to just see the Google and just copy it and explain to you what is. See, I'm just going to copy from the Google. Nothing else. Let us take some good picture. Yes, this seems good. Somebody says this is good. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, so when we eat
Chalo.
food,
Yes. So you have taken your food from the
Food.
mouth, done oral cavity.
it
Yes,
mixes
ma'am.
with saliva.
It mixes with the saliva. That is the second part of the digestive system. It
Then
secretes salivary enzymes.
enzymes.
Okay.
Then it goes down to the stomach through esophagus.
Yes. So salivary enzymes mixes. It forms bolus. Bolus is
Bolus, yeah.
nothing but how much ever you chew it, that much saliva is there. Okay. It goes via this pipe called esophagus, and it goes and empties into where?
Stomach.
Stomach. Okay. Now lungs and the entire digestive system is separated by a organ called, or a muscle
Diaphragm.
called, diaphragm. So stomach will opens up into the diaphragm, the esophagus will pass through the diaphragm and opens into the stomach. Now this area, see, it is what it is written, cardia. Okay, this area is called cardia of the stomach, or here there is a valve. There is a valve here called cardiac valve. Okay, the valve is called cardiac valve. What happens? People with gastric reflux disease, this valve becomes weak. This valve becomes weak in the gastric reflux disease. पहले V room रो करेंगे चल. Gastric, that's why what happens now, you have taken your food in the stomach, the stomach digested, it means it squeeze and push into duodenum. But if this valve is weak, some of the food will reflect back into the mouth,
Yes, reflex.
and when they get reflect back into the mouth, you'll end up with throat ulcers and most of the cough. People with gastric problem are not the issue with the throat, it is a issue with their gastric reflex. It is a issue with the gastric reflex. Okay, so far done. Now this stomach, the food goes into the stomach. What does this do? It will secrete hydrochloric acid and the digestive enzymes. It helps in the digestion of starch. It helps in the digestion of the starch. Okay, so the acidic digestion will empty or get over into the stomach. But some part of the acidic digestion is not yet completed here. It has to go to a small area here of duodenum. It should go to the small area of duodenum. Some part of digestion takes place at the duodenum. After that, the whatever food is digested, it will converted into chyle. Here, it comes into duodenum. Duodenum is very important. Why? Any idea? Duodenum is very, very important.
Duodenum, it opens up in small intestine.
Yes, duodenum is a part of a small intestine.
Small intestine.
Small intestine is duodenum, ileum, jejunum. All becomes a small intestine. Why duodenum is important is duodenum gets the bile from the liver through the portal veins. One, for the digestion gets the bile. At the same time, the pancreas will secrete the pancreatic. See the picture clearly.
Yes.
There is one portal vein comes here into duodenum, and the pancreas also, you see all the pancreatic juices will comes and empty into the
Duodenum.
duodenum. This system is called hepato or portal system. You see, this picture is very clear. See, from the liver, see the liver comes and empties into the duodenum first area. This is a hepatoportal system. Then from the duodenum, so liver into the duodenum, and all the areas will get into this. That is why liver is very important. Liver is very important because it will go to the splenic veins to the spleen, it will go to the intestine, it will go to the large intestine, it empties into the small intestine also. That is why liver is very, very, very important organ. Okay, let's go to the picture again. So all the acid got digested here. Then once acid got digested here, it goes into the duodenum. It travels all along the small intestine. Okay, when it travels all along the small intestine has a special structure called villi. villi. Now, where are these villi located? Small intestine villi. One second, let me just mute Lalita ma'am. Ma'am, Lalita ma'am, Nirmala ma'am, can you just mute for a while? Yes, ma'am. There's some hindrance coming. Okay, ma'am. So we are into here. See, each and every layer of a small. This is the intestine lining. Each and every layer of the intestine has got this. Okay. Now, yes, you can see it very clearly here. See, this is a layer of intestine. In this intestine, there are small structures. Small structures. These small structures are nothing but villi. See the line here, villi. Now, this villi will helps in the digestion, sorry, in the absorption of all the food which has been digested by the mouth, which has been digested by the stomach, which has been digested from the duodenum, or rest of the small food will be absorbed. Nutrition will be absorbed in the small intestine. Okay, so all the nutritions are absorbed. After the nutritions are absorbed, the next step is it will cross the appendix. It will cross the appendix and it will go into the large intestine. It will go into the large intestine where the large intestine has got how many parts? Three parts. One which goes up called ascending, one which goes under the stomach, not on the top of stomach. Under the stomach is transverse,